Gaia Meditations by John Seed and Joanna Macy. What are you? What am I? Intersecting cycles of water, earth, air, and fire. That's what I am. That's what you are. Water, blood, lymph, mucus, sweat, tears, inner oceans tugged by the moon, tides within and tides without, streaming fluids floating ourselves, washing and nourishing through endless riverways of gut and vein and capillary, moisture pouring in and through and out of you, of me, in the vast poem of the hydrological cycle. You are that. I am that. Earth, matter made from rock and soil. It too is pulled by the moon as the magma circulates through the planet heart and roots suck molecules into biology. Earth pours through us, replacing each cell in the body every 7 years. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, we ingest, incorporate, and excrete the earth, are made from earth. I am that. You are that. Air, the gaseous realm, the atmosphere, the planet's membrane, the inhale and the exhale, breathing out carbon dioxide to the trees and breathing in their fresh exudations, oxygen kissing each cell awake, atoms dancing in orderly metabolism, interpenetrating. That dance of the air cycle, breathing the universe in and out again is what you are, is what I am. Fire. Fire from our sun that fuels all life, drawing up plants and raising the waters to the sky to fall again, replenishing. The inner furnace of your metabolism burns with the fire of the Big Bang that first sent matter energy spinning through space and time. And the same fire is the lightning that flashed into the primordial soup, catalyzing the birth of organic life. You were there. I was there, for each cell of our bodies is descended in an unbroken chain from that event, through the desire of atom for molecule, of molecule for cell, of cell for organism. In that spawning of forms, death was born, born simultaneously with sex before we divided from the plant realm. So in our sexuality, we can feel ancient stirrings that connect us with plant as well as animal life. We come from them in an unbroken chain, through fish learning to walk the land, feeling scales turning to wings, through the migrations and the ages of ice. We have been but recently in human form. If Earth's whole history were compressed into 24 hours beginning at midnight, organic life would begin only at 5 p.m. Mammals emerge at 11:30, and from amongst them, at only seconds to midnight, our species. In our long planetary journey, we have taken far more ancient forms than these we now wear. Some of these forms we remember in our mother's womb, wear vestigial tails and gills, grow fins for hands. Countless times in that journey, we died to old forms, let go of old ways, allowing new ones to emerge, but nothing is ever lost. Though forms pass, all returns, each worn out cell consumed, recycled through mosses, leeches, birds of prey. Think to your next death. Will your flesh and bones back into the cycle. Surrender. Love the plump worms you will become. Wander your weary being through the fountain of life. Beholding you, I behold as well all the different creatures that compose you, the mitochondria and the cells, the intestinal bacteria, the life teeming on the surface of the skin, the great symbiosis that is you, the incredible coordination and cooperation of countless beings. You are that too, just as your body is part of a much larger symbiosis, living in wider reciprocities. Be conscious of that gift and give and take when you move among trees. Breathe your pure carbon dioxide to a leaf and sense it breathing fresh oxygen back to you. Remember again and again the old cycles of partnership. Draw on them in this time of trouble. By your very nature and the journey you have made, there is in you deep knowledge of belonging. Draw on it now in this time of fear. You have earth-bred wisdom of your interexistence with all that is. Take courage and power in it now that we may help each other awaken in this time of peril.